In our last video, we discussed that today we would explore how the DVASI control system significantly reduces human errors in testing.
Absolutely, James. I'm excited to share some key features that help minimize human errors. Orion OS, available with our Model P controller, simplifies the input of test parameters significantly. The operator simply needs to match the method with the product in the recipe to carry out the specified tightness test efficiently.
That sounds straightforward. But what about altitude tests, like those required by the ASTM D6653 standard? We want to avoid any mishaps like the last time with pallet rejection.
For altitude tests, it's really user-friendly. The operator only inputs the start and end altitudes, and our device automatically calculates the pressure difference according to the elevation change. It's practically foolproof at this stage.
I see. But what about selecting the correct recipe? Is there a chance an operator might choose the wrong one?
Great question. To reduce this risk, we've integrated a barcode reader that automatically selects the correct recipe based on the product's barcode. This effectively eliminates the possibility of selecting the wrong recipe. Furthermore, our system is designed with different access levels. Operators cannot alter the test parameters themselves. Only a person with administrative access can modify these settings.
That's impressive. How do you ensure that operators accurately interpret the results to detect any leaks in the packaging, particularly when human error could influence the outcome?
For visual detection, we have taken significant measures to minimize distractions for the operator. Our control modules manage the tests automatically, allowing the operator to focus solely on observation. Additionally, our chambers are made from transparent acrylic, offering a 360-degree view of all samples. Interpreting results is straightforward, especially for immersion tests. A continuous flow of bubbles indicates a leak. For dry tests, one simply needs to check if the paper towel passed under the product shows any moisture signs. In methylene blue tests, confirming that there has been no penetration of the dye into the product is key.
Fantastic. Thanks for the detailed explanation. How long does a typical test usually take?
I'll cover the specifics of test durations in our next video. Stay tuned.